Hey everyone, if you're a bakery equipment supplier and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi sites platform to do exactly that. If you haven't heard of multi sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various um, businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, bakery equipment supplier. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change this to service and click on continue and let multi sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written just to make your website more personalized to suit your business. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let me show you how to do it. Let's click on the first section at the top and go ahead and pop in my email address over here. Let's make sure that email address is visible by clicking on the box. Phone number, let's pop that in over here, and that is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location, I'm now going to go ahead and put that in over here. And the great thing about that physical location, when your customers actually click on the address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps when your website is live. And update social links. Let's go ahead and pop in our various social media platforms over here. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Under the next section, let's go ahead and put in our logo if we have one. If you don't have a logo yet, check out some of our other videos. We actually have a few ideas on how to create a free logo if you don't have a huge budget. Maybe you're recently starting your business. Logo has now been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, for example, at filters, frames, click on that pencil directly over it. Otherwise, click on save. And over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now, if you want to change the colors that were pre-selected for you, click on the paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you. There are so many to choose from. Um, and there's sure to be one that goes with your branding colors. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. Now, over here is where you can browse your device, upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. We also now give you the option. We've recently introduced the feature where you can connect your Instagram accounts and actually pull in your Instagram photos instead of uploading them all individually. Connecting your account will pull all your images in, and you have that option to select through those images as well. Under update action, you can change that button text. You can also change where that button links to, even upload a PDF file or link to another website if necessary. Under update contents is where you can change that content that was pre-written for you. Now, in the last section at the bottom is lead generation form. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to your potential customers with queries, what products you have in stock. You will get notified via your registered email you have a new lead from this form. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the button at the bottom. Say I already have a domain to set it up. Otherwise, you can purchase a custom domain to make your website look even more personalized for your business. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business and really wishing you and your business mighty success.